When you are working inside the After Effects, sometimes the problem isn't the animation. It's how you are viewing or controlling your layers. To fix that, you need three essential tools: the zoom tool, the rotation tool, and the anchor point tool. This is how to animate. Let's turn ideas into motion. Zoom tool allows you to get closer to your composition so you can work on small details with precision. So you can select it on the toolbar or you can press Z on your keyboard. Click anywhere in the composition to zoom in and hold Alt to zoom out. This becomes very useful when you are adjusting small details like mask, small graphics, or text alignment. And next is rotation tool. The rotation tool allows you to rotate any selected layer. The shortcut is W, or you can select it from toolbar. Once selected, simply click and drag the layer points to rotate your layer. One thing to notice is it is only rotating the layer which is selected and not the composition. So you can rotate it anywhere you want. If you press R on a selected layer, you can see the angle, how much you have rotated your layer. Like I say I can make it 90, then it will be rotated to 90 degrees. Now here's the important part, the anchor point tool. The anchor point tool decides where the rotation happens. You can select it from your keyboard by pressing Y, or you can select it from the toolbar by clicking this icon. And here's the anchor point. When you move this point to somewhere else in the layer, and now if I can open rotation tab and rotate the layer, now you can see it is rotating from that point, not from the center. So if I can drag the anchor point here, then it will rotate from that point. For better visualization, I am making anchor point to the center by clicking Ctrl, Alt and Home and resetting all the properties of this layer. One thing to notice, if the layer is not selected, the anchor point will not be changed. So you have to select the layer first and then drag your anchor point to the bottom. If you hold shift, then anchor point will move straight. If I leave shift, then I can move anywhere on the layer. I want this anchor point to be here. Now if I will change the rotation properties, it will rotate from bottom. This tool is extremely useful for things like door opening, clock rotating, or objects swinging naturally. Understanding these tools gives you better control over your work and your animation. If you learned something new today, leave a like, drop your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more value addition to your edits.